Hello and welcome back. This is Alan from Scalekit. In this video, we will demonstrate how to integrate SCIM provisioning using webhooks. We have a straightforward Next.js app set up that will display users or events as soon as they are received from directory providers. To get started, let us install the Scalekit SDK. If you haven't done this yet, make sure that both Node.js and npm are installed on your machine. Then, navigate to the API directory, where all the API endpoints are defined. In Next.js, open the route TS file. This is where the business logic for the webhook is defined. Import the Scalekit SDK at the top of your file and initialize an instance using your unique Scalekit credentials. They can be found on your Scalekit dashboard and are essential for authenticating all your requests. Now, we'll set up your webhook handler. First, use Scalekit's Verify Webhook Payload method to authenticate incoming webhooks. This step confirms that the data is legitimate. In order to handle the event payload that your application receives from Scalekit, you'll have to extract the user information you need. For this demo, we'll be rendering this information directly in the UI to show you how it works. Since all the essential steps are in place, let's run npm run dev. This command will launch your local development server and open the dashboard. You may notice that no users or events are currently displayed. So let us go ahead and change that. Since we've set up a webhook, we'll use ngrok to expose localhost URLs to the internet. Once we obtain the forwarding URL, we can copy it. Let me now return to the Scalekit dashboard and go to webhooks. I am going to create a new one. For that, we'll need a display name, and then add our endpoint URL along with the complete path. You might want to go back and copy the path. Once done, we can now go ahead and subscribe to events. Scalekit also provides a signing secret to verify the payload. Let us go ahead and add this secret to our environment credentials. We're now ready to test our application. We'll navigate to Okta and assign users. I am going to first add a test user. Then let us add a real user. Here I am choosing Ben Tennyson. After assigning them, we'll click Done and return to our application. Our app should now display the events as they come in from Scalekit. You'll also notice that the users we had added have been populated. Further, let's onboard an enterprise customer. We'll go to our Scalekit dashboard and create a new org. Assume that Oracle is the customer. Let us go ahead and enable SCIM for them. After creating the organization, we can generate a link to the admin portal and share it with the customer org's point of contact, typically the IT admin. When the IT admin opens this link in their browser, they can select the directory provider that they use and click on Configure. They'll have all the necessary information to go ahead and configure a connection. Once they are successful, you'll be able to view the events sent by the directory provider to your application, complete with timestamps and event data. We can also observe that the users who are part of this demo have been added with all the associated payload information. That is it. It is this simple to integrate SCIM into your application and win enterprise customers.